And then think about this ayah, this verse in the Qur'an, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet is sallallahu alaihi wasallam saying, "Qul la as'alukum alayhi ajran illa al-mawaddata fil qurba." Now, la as'alukum alayhi. Alayhi refers to the things that the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam did for us. All the things I've done for you, all the good deeds I've done for you, I'm not asking any reward from you in return. It's an amazing statement to make, and especially in our culture, in our society, where you've heard this statement oftentimes, nothing comes free. Right? But not so the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. He's done so much for us. I tell you today, every good deed that we do, it is because of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We know Allah through the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We worship Allah, we submit to Allah, we surrender to Allah, we obey Allah through the example set by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There is no act of obedience that we can do if it contradicts the way of the Prophet ﷺ. An essential, necessary prerequisite for the acceptance of a good deed is that it must conform to the way of the Prophet ﷺ. So you want to pray Salah? We have to do it according to the way of the Prophet ﷺ. And he tells us this, Sallu kama ra'aytamuni usalli. Pray how I pray. That's the way of the Prophet ﷺ. Every good deed we do, it is because of the Prophet ﷺ. And so he says, even though I've done all of that for you, I ask of you nothing except illa al-mawaddata fil qurba, to love my family. To love my family. That's the only thing I ask of you.